As we leave 2024 behind, General Dynamics turned over the 24th Virginia-class nuclear-powered fast attack submarine to the U.S. Navy. The U.S. Navy Submarine Force's newest attack submarine, the future USS Iowa, SSN 797, was delivered to the Navy on December 22, 2024. The boat's delivery represents the official transfer of the submarine from the shipbuilder to the Navy. The USS Iowa's transfer will be followed by a series of evaluations on the vessel and its future crew in preparation for induction into active service. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how mighty is the latest Virginia-class submarine, USS Iowa. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. The Virginia-class, also known as the SSN 774 class, comprises nuclear-powered fast attack submarines currently utilized by the United States Navy. Engineered as successors to the aging Los Angeles-class submarines, a considerable number of which have already undergone decommissioning, the Virginia-class submarines are slated for procurement until 2043. Anticipated to uphold their operational status until 2070, these vessels represent a crucial component of the Navy's fleet. The contract for Iowa's development and 9 additional submarines was awarded to the General Dynamics and HII Consortium in 2014. It's valued at about $17.8 billion. USS Iowa's keel was laid in 2019, while the launch of the system was completed 4 years later. Iowa is the 5th U.S. naval vessel and first submarine named after the Hawkeye State. This was the 2nd Virginia-class submarine delivered in 2024. The Virginia-class submarines are specifically engineered to excel in a diverse range of maritime operations, spanning from open ocean endeavors to littoral missions. Their primary objective encompasses the neutralization of enemy surface combatants and submarines, while their secondary function involves the execution of land attack missions. USS Iowa is the 6th of the 10th Block 4 submarine. The main improvement over the Block 3 is the reduction of major maintenance periods from 4 to 3, increasing each ship's total lifetime deployments by 1. So the Block 4 variant will be capable of a total of about 15 deployments during its 33-year service life. The vessel has a length of 115 meters and displaces around 7,900 tons. Iowa, like all other Block 4 subs, is acknowledged to be able to move to depths of 240 meters or 800 feet, but is allegedly capable of going down to 490 meters or 1,600 feet. A single S9G reactor that produces about 30 megawatts powers Iowa and is designed to operate for 33 years without refueling. So, USS Iowa has a practically unlimited range, limited by only food supplies and maintenance requirements. The reactor will enable the sub to move at over 25 knots, that's 46 kilometers per hour, or 29 miles per hour, though the actual numbers may be significantly higher. Iowa is packed with lots of sensors. The Virginia class is the first to use photonic sensors instead of a traditional periscope. The class is equipped with high-resolution cameras, along with light intensification and infrared sensors, as well as an infrared laser rangefinder. Block 4 variant of Virginia-class also has a very strong sonar coverage. It incorporates a large aperture bow (LAB) water-backed array, which replaces the traditional air-backed spherical array. This main sonar is one of the most powerful sonars mounted in any of the submarines in the world. The sub includes 2 high-frequency active sonars mounted in the sail and bow. These supplement the main sonar array improving anti-submarine warfare performance. A fiber optic sonar array consisting of 3 flat panels is present on either side of the hull. For coverage above and behind the submarine, a high-frequency sonar is mounted on both sides of the submarine sail. The vessel is also equipped with a low-frequency towed sonar array and a high-frequency towed sonar array. USS Iowa will be lethal as it's packed with different kinds of weapons to knock out varied targets. 1. 2 large-diameter Virginia payload tubes, each capable of launching 6 Tomahawk cruise missiles. Tomahawk has a range of 1,000 miles, or 1,600 kilometers, and can be used to neutralize stationary as well as mobile assets. 2. 4 533mm torpedo tubes for the Mark 48 torpedo. There's a capacity to carry up to 26 Mark 48 torpedoes in the weapons chamber. These torpedoes have a range in excess of 50 kilometers, or 31 miles, and can be used to take out enemy submarines and surface vessels. 3. Like all Virginia-class, Iowa can also lay different types of mines, including the Mark 60 Captor encapsulated torpedo mines. And 4. An integral lockout/lock-in chamber is incorporated into the hull for special operations. The chamber can host a mini-submarine, such as Northrop Grumman's Advanced SEALs Delivery System, that can be used to transport special warfare forces, such as Navy SEALs teams. Captain Mike Hollenbach, Virginia-class submarine program manager, said the Virginia-class submarine represents a Navy and industry commitment to delivering warfighting excellence to the fleet. Virginia-class fast-attack submarines provide the U.S. Navy with the capabilities required to maintain the nation's undersea supremacy well into the 21st century. They have enhanced stealth, sophisticated surveillance capabilities, and special warfare enhancements that enable them to meet the Navy's multi-mission requirements. USS Iowa's situational awareness and low observable characteristics are much better than any Russian or Chinese submarine. Chinese sources reported that the People's Liberation Army Navy's Type 093 submarine's noise level is on par with the American improved Los Angeles at 110 decibels. While the Russian Yasin-M is better, it's still not on par with the latest Virginia-class subs. USS Iowa will, in most cases, get the first-look advantage and take out rival submarines as well as surface combatants before they can react.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.